Hello friends, my name is Harsh Singhal and I'm here to discuss on the topic time travel made possible. Time travel has been one of the man's wildest fantasies for centuries. This term has been a popular topic for science fiction for decades, including Doctor Who to Star Trek to Back to the Future, right? But to start with is what time is. It is a perception of things. Since the past, people used to believe that time is constant throughout the whole universe, whether it be the Earth, the Sun, or even the Venus. Do you guys know what is time travel? Moving between different points in time using a hypothetical device is called time travel, right? Now it is proved that the whole universe is expanding and it is roughly 13.8 billion years old. This whole stuff started with a physicist named Albert Einstein. He tried to show time as an illusion and said it to be fourth dimensional. He suggested a theory to elucidate this, named it as the theory of relativity. The scientists all across the globe gave many theories to suggest the topics related to time travel. The first theory was warp drives. A concept for a real-life warp drive was suggested in 1994 by Mexican physicist Miguel Alcubierre. Warp drives are faster than light FTL spacecraft propulsion system. The Alcubierre drive or metric tensor is a speculative idea based on the solution of Einstein's field equations in general relativity as proposed by Alcubierre, by which a spacecraft could achieve apparent faster than light travel if a configurable energy density field lower than that of vacuum, that is negative mass, could be created, right? Faster than light communication and travel refers to the propagation of information or matter faster than the speed of light. Under the special theory of relativity, a particle that has rest mass with subluminal velocity needs infinite energy to accelerate to the speed of light. Here's a simple video to explain you the science behind it.
Here you can see that the spacecraft used for Alcubierre drive generates a warp bubble around it, stretching the space-time in a wave on which the spacecraft could ride with the time ahead of it being contracted and the time behind it being expanded.
Currently, NASA is working on IXS Enterprise to use Alcubierre drives. The second theory was to overcome the speed of light. Another perception was to travel faster than the speed of light. In irony, it requires infinite energy to go beyond it, which is obviously impractical to be given. Later, due to the discovery of the particles named tachyons, it seemed to be a bit of realistic. Tachyons are the particles which travel faster than light and have imaginary mass. As they speed up, they lose their energy.
Here we have been given with one of the famous equations of Einstein, that is E equals to mc squared, where m is the mass of the object and c is the speed of the light in vacuum. In the next equation, m naught is the mass of the mass at rest and v is the speed of the object relative to the observer. As we decrease the time taken to cover a specific distance, the energy will increase since the energy and the time are inversely proportional to each other. As the energy will increase, the mass of the object undergoing motion will increase, and so the space contraction will increase. This could only be achieved if the speed is greater than the speed of light. The time taken will be negligibly small and sufficient contraction will occur.
Many theories have been suggested for the purpose of time travel. These include through wormholes and black holes, through cosmic strings or rotating faster than the universe, through a hypothetical idea based on Tipler cylinder, and many more. Still, the idea of time travel are based on good, solid science and all time travel theories allowed by real science. There is no way a traveler can go back in time to before the time machine was built. I am confident that time travel into the future is possible, but we need to develop highly advanced and sophisticated technology to do it. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Have a good day.